In my last video, I shared exactly how I would divide $500 if I had to start investing today from scratch. We talked about fixed income, REITs, growth stocks, and the power of consistency. But I also left you with a promise. I told you that the investors who are truly winning in today's market are doing something different. They aren't guessing. They are using artificial intelligence to find opportunities before anyone else. Today, I'm taking you behind the screen. We are going to build on that $500 portfolio. But this time, we are using the exact AI tools that top investors use to analyze assets, balance risk, and maximize gains. If you want to know how to turn a simple strategy into an automated wealth-building machine, you are in the right place. Before we open the tools, make sure to follow the channel, hit that like button, and comment below. AI investing. If you're ready to modernize your finances. For decades, high-level financial analysis was locked behind Wall Street doors. You needed expensive terminals, teams of analysts, and hours of free time just to understand if a stock was undervalued. Today, that game is completely over. AI has democratized information. But let's clarify something important right now. I am not talking about asking a basic chatbot, "What stock should I buy today?" That is a recipe for losing money. The smartest investors don't follow technology blindly. They use it to filter through millions of data points in seconds. Think about it. Human emotion is the #1 killer of investment returns. We get scared when the market drops, and we get greedy when it rises. AI doesn't have emotions. It doesn't panic. It looks at pure data, balance sheets, historical volatility, cash flow trends, and even macroeconomic shifts. When we combine your clear human strategy with AI's processing power, you get an unfair advantage. Let's go back to our beginner model, $500. Last time, we split it into fixed income, $200, REITs, $150, and stocks, $150. Now, how does AI optimize this? First, let's talk about the fixed income portion, $200. Most people just pick the first CD or treasury bond their bank offers. AI tools can instantly scan hundreds of institutions to find the highest yield to maturity rate while assessing the credit risk of the issuer. It ensures your safety net is actually working as hard as possible for you. Second, the REITs, $150. Real estate investment trusts are amazing for monthly income, but they are not all created equal. Some own empty office buildings, while others own booming data centers or logistics hubs. AI algorithms can analyze geographic data, occupancy rates, and rental growth trends to suggest the top REITs that offer stable cash flow with lower volatility. Third, the growth stocks, $150. This is where AI shines. Instead of buying a stock because it's popular on social media, advanced AI tools look at fundamental analysis and sentiment analysis. It reads thousands of news articles, earnings reports, and analyst ratings to score companies based on their actual health. By using technology, your $500 isn't just distributed, it is laser-targeted. Now, I have to give you a serious warning. When people discover AI tools, they often make a massive mistake: over-trading. They see a minor notification or a shift in data, and they change their entire portfolio on a Tuesday morning, only to change it again next week. Remember what we established. Investing is not a sprint. It's a long-term game. If your AI tool tells you every single day to buy and sell different things, you are using the wrong tool, or you are setting the wrong parameters. The best way to use AI is for rebalancing. Let's say your growth stocks do incredibly well and now represent a much larger percentage of your money than you planned. This increases your risk. A good AI system will gently alert you, showing you how to rebalance back to your original safety parameters without letting emotion dictate the trade. I want to tell you something directly. Investor to investor. Tools will change. Today, we have these AI models. In 5 years, they will be even more advanced. But the foundation of wealth building never changes. The absolute best investment you can make right now isn't in a specific stock, an ETF, or a software subscription. It's in your own financial education. When you understand the language of money, you stop looking at the stock market like a casino. You start seeing it as a grocery store where high-quality companies occasionally go on sale. AI is your assistant, but you are the CEO of your financial future. You make the final calls. Consistency, strategy, and the right technology. That is the formula that changes lives over time. If you watched until here, it means you are truly committed to your growth. To help me know who the serious investors are in my community, leave a comment below with the word portfolio. I will look through the comments and personally reply to as many as I can. In our next video, I'm going to do a live screen share and show you the exact prompts and user interfaces of the AI platforms we discussed today, so you can copy them for yourself. Don't forget to share this video with one friend who needs to start planning for their future. Thank you for watching. Keep investing in your mind, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, everyone.